Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing some tips and strategies on how to promote your affiliate links and earn more money. As an affiliate marketer, your success depends on your ability to promote your links effectively, so let's get started. Subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks. Tip number 1. Choose the right affiliate program. The first step in promoting your affiliate link is choosing the right program to work with. Look for programs that align with your niche and have a good reputation in the industry. Make sure the program offers high commissions, good support, and marketing materials. Tip number 2. Create valuable content to promote your affiliate link. You need to create valuable content that your audience will find useful. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media posts, or podcasts. The more valuable your content is, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations and click on your links. Tip number 3. Use social media. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your affiliate link. You can use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn to share your content and link. Be sure to engage with your followers and build relationships with them. This will help you build trust and increase your conversions. Tip number 4. Use email marketing. Email marketing is another effective way to promote your affiliate link. Build an email list of subscribers who are interested in your niche and send them regular updates with valuable content and product recommendations. Be sure to include your affiliate link in your emails and make it easy for your subscribers to click and purchase. Tip number 5. Offer incentives. Offering incentives like discounts, free trials, or exclusive content can motivate your audience to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Make sure your incentives are relevant and valuable to your audience, and be transparent about your affiliate relationship. Conclusion. So there you have it, some tips and strategies on how to promote your affiliate links and earn more money. Remember, the key to success is creating valuable content, building trust with your audience, and choosing the right affiliate program. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Backquote.